This video will help you interpret box and whisker plots.
These are parts to a box and whisker plot: lower extreme, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and upper extreme.
The median is a middle value in the list of numbers. To find the median, your numbers have to be listed in numerical order, so you may have to rewrite your list first. Find the median of 9, 3, 44, 17, and 15. First, you line up the numbers from smallest to largest. So you will have 3, 9, 15, 17, and 44. Now you X out the outside numbers until you get the middle number. The median is 15. If you are finding the median of an even amount of numbers, you first line up the numbers smallest to largest. Then you find the middle two numbers. You add them together. Then divide the answer by 2.
To draw a box and whisker plot, you first have to put your data in numerical order. Then find the median of the data. This would divide the data into halves. Next, find the lower and upper quartiles. Do this by finding the median of the two halves. Do not include the original median in your calculation. Next, you draw a number line. Then plot the lower and upper quartiles on the number line. This represents the box part of the box and whisker plot. Then plot your median. Finally, plot the lower extreme, your lowest number, and the upper extreme, your highest number, on the number line. This part represents the whiskers. The following box and whisker plots represent the distribution of the rating given to 4 movies by 20 newspapers and magazines. Which movie is the most highly recommended? The problem is asking which movie was most highly recommended. If you look at the 4 different movies, you will see that they are all different. To solve this problem, you must determine which movie has the highest rating. First, look at your right whiskers. Which whisker is on a higher number? Movie A is on 8, movie B is on 9, movie C is on 8, movie D is on 8. Therefore, your higher number is 9. Movie B has a higher rating.
A common misconception of this problem. Some people would have chosen movie A because it is a normal box and whisker plot. But in this case, it doesn't matter if it's a normal one or one that is missing a whisker. All I asked for was the highest rating, so it is movie B.
Mr. Klein gave the same quiz to 2 mathematics classes. The box and whiskers plots below were created using the quiz scores that the students earned in each class. If Mr. Klein decided that each student needed to score 75 points on this quiz to pass, according to the plots, what percent of each class would pass the quiz? Each section is divided into fourths, so that means that each section is 25%. The first box and whisker plot, 75% of the people scored 75 or higher. You can tell that because there are 3 sections that are 75 or higher. So you multiply 3 and 25 and you get 75%. The second box and whisker plot has 50% of the people that scored 75 or higher because the 2 sections are 75 or higher. So you multiply 2 and 25 and get 50%.
A common misconception of this problem. Just because one box and whisker plot is bigger than others doesn't mean the percentage is bigger. Also, just because 75 is right in the middle of the plot, people might think it's 50% other than 75%. Even though the section is small, it still represents 25% of the data.
Practice. The heights of 10 bridges are represented on a box and whisker plot below. What percent of the data falls between 1,410 and 1,990? Try this on your own. It is a real-world problem. You are correct if you answered 25%.
Thanks for watching.